What is going on, my friend Garrett here? In this video, I'm going to reveal my top 3 favorite high-paying affiliate programs for beginners. Now, if you're someone that's brand new to affiliate marketing, or you've thought about recently the idea of rather than promoting these products online that pay you little itsy bitsy tiny payouts, what if you could promote a product that could pay you as much as $2,000 per referral? Right? You would need a lot less sales and you'd be able to hit your monthly income goal in record-breaking speed. Well, that's what I'm going to cover in this video, okay? I'm going to cover my top 3 favorite high-paying affiliate programs. One of these actually pays you instant 100% commissions, and all of these are incredibly simple for a newbie, someone brand new, to actually plug in, okay? But before I dive into that, if you're brand new to my channel, you never want to miss my weekly step-by-step affiliate marketing training, click the subscribe button and the bell notification that will alert you of all my latest videos. But without further ado, let me dive right in. So the very first high-paying affiliate program is something called OPM Wealth. Okay, now I've not actually covered this on my channel. What OPM Wealth is, it's an opportunity around Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin is an incredibly popular form of currency right now. I'm sure you've heard of it. And what this program teaches you is how to build long-term wealth. Okay, so the cool thing is, if you're watching this video, chances are you're interested in improving your wealth, maybe, giving back to your family, growing your income. Well, you can actually earn while you learn, okay? So you can go through the products of OPM Wealth and you can just turn around and promote those to other people based off of what you're actually learning inside of the training, okay? So all of these affiliate programs, as you'll see as you keep watching this video, are very relevant to your journey. And again, it's very, very powerful. So again, how does OPM Wealth work? What are the commissions, right? The cool thing about OPM Wealth is a couple things. Number one is, again, if you're a newbie, you're probably not that great at sales. Maybe you don't know how to convince people to take action and buy. Well, what you can do with OPM Wealth is you can just send someone to the front part of this opportunity. And what happens is when they create a free account and they start going through the training, okay, the welcome videos, what happens is they're prompted, okay, I'm actually in my back office right here. You can see right here, they're prompted to reach out to an advisor, okay, that will accelerate their progress and answer questions, okay? So what actually happens is they reach out to this advisor and they schedule a phone call. And on the phone call, the person is, helped, your prospect gets on the phone, they're helped, they're coached, but also they are recommended to purchase higher products, okay? So again, you don't have to get on the phone yourself with this program. The advisor will actually do that for you. And here's the beautiful thing. You're probably on the edge of your seat thinking, Garrett, how much money can I make with this? Well, I told you it was high paying. You can literally earn as much as $16,500 with OPM Wealth. And I have many friends who've promoted this and have actually done that. Imagine waking up to a $16,500 commission, right? I mean, that's more money than some people make in a single year, okay? So again, OPM Wealth, highly recommend you check this out. Very, very powerful. Now, my second high-paying affiliate program for beginners is Easy One-Up, okay? This is actually my favorite one out of the 3. Now, Easy One-Up, I'm gonna include a link if you wanna actually sign up directly with Easy One-Up. But as you keep watching me towards the end of the video, I'm going to share with you how you can literally get a done-for-you affiliate system that will sell these affiliate programs totally on autopilot. So Easy One-Up, basically it's video training teaching people how to build a successful online business, how to get traffic, leads, and sales. And they have different levels that a person that you're promoting to can actually join, okay? So the Elevation's $25 investment. The Elevation Elite is $100, okay? And again, I'll include a link directly below if you want to see what each level includes, because based on whatever level you actually join at, that unlocks the ability to also earn 100% instant commissions at that level and all the levels under it. Now, the reason I love Easy One-Up, again, is number one, it pays you instant commission. So when you create an account with Easy One-Up in your back office, you can choose your payment method that you prefer, PayPal, Cash App, Zelle. And when someone pays, they're not actually paying Easy One Up directly, they're paying you. Okay, so there's no middleman. You get that money instantly. And the cool thing is, again, like I said, it's high paying. It pays you up to $2,000 instant commissions. And there's been many days where newbies have joined me, okay, and I see them posting in our private Facebook team group that they made their first $2,000 commission while they were relaxing with their family, while they were out at the beach, okay? Absolutely incredible. And again, the cool thing about this is, let's say you were to join at the $2,000 level, you unlock all these other levels, okay? And again, $2,000. Another bonus of or benefit of Easy One Up, just very quickly, is again, you can earn while you learn as well. So you can actually go through this training yourself, learn how to promote, learn how to get leads and traffic for Easy One Up itself. Okay, so very, very cool. And the last high paying affiliate program for beginners I highly recommend you promote is Traffic Authority. Again, I've mentioned this in other videos simply because it's incredibly powerful. What is Traffic Authority? The product you're actually selling, okay, as an affiliate for Traffic Authority is traffic. Now, if you're brand new, you don't know what the word traffic means as it relates to online marketing. Traffic is basically visitors, okay, or clicks to your website. So we all need traffic when we want to promote products online. And Traffic Authority provides incredibly high quality packages of clicks. Okay, these clicks are from real people that are interested in the make money home business niche. Okay, so not only can you yourself just purchase traffic, okay, and there'll be a link again under this video if you're watching on YouTube where you can actually go and purchase, okay, packages of clicks, especially if you're someone watching this video, you don't know how to get traffic, you just want very quick, very high quality traffic. You can actually go down below, purchase a package yourself. But what happens is you can also get an affiliate link. Okay, so if I go to resellers, okay, here, you can get an affiliate link and you can promote this as a high paying affiliate program. Okay, so if I go to marketing links right here, I can actually get a capture page. I can promote this, okay, and when someone goes through the process, they're going to get sold on Traffic Authority. And again, here is the breakdown. Okay, so I have the breakdown. When someone buys the basic level, okay, just the basic level of 170 to 190 clicks, you get a $100 commission. Okay, but here's the beautiful thing. Traffic Authority is incredibly powerful, and a lot of people, because they know traffic is important, they'll purchase, the gold, they'll purchase, the platinum, the titanium. Okay, if someone purchases the titanium package, which is a $4,297 investment for that person to get traffic, you earn $4,000 commission. Okay, so again, the reason I love Easy One Up, the reason I love Traffic Authority, for example, is because you need training on online marketing anyway to be successful. You need traffic, okay, to be successful. So why not invest into your own business and then turn around and just recommend what you've used to be successful? That's all I do, right? People ask me all the time, Garrett, you're at the top of the leaderboards. I see you're making, multiple six figures a year, working an hour or less a day. How are you doing this? Well, it's very simple. I just use, things like training, traffic, and then I just turn around and recommend what I'm actually using. Okay, it's incredibly easy, and it's the path of least resistance. So I hope you got a tremendous amount of value inside of this video. You now know my top high-paying affiliate programs for beginners. If you want to access a system, okay, an affiliate system that comes with done-for-you capture pages, high-converting sales videos, follow-up emails, all that done for you that will literally sell, okay, Easy One Up and Traffic Authority, go down to that first link, watch that free overview video, and then get started. And you'll be able to literally just send traffic to one link, and then the system will sell, okay, all these other ones for you. And if you saw OPM and you want access to this, okay, there's going to be a link directly below where you can sign up directly to OPM. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, my friend. Be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I will catch you on my next video.